Okay. Suit up. First thing, get a light. I don't need my glasses yet. These are used for grip, not because there's some kind of chemical or something going on here. And I'm not going to wear a mask because it's very little drilling. These rubber gloves go here. These gloves go up here. I'll need them in a little bit. I don't need these right now. Here's this. And I need my vernier caliper. Teeny little dot is placed on the unit. I can tell that is not correct. So I have to go in with it. Just a hair. That's better. It was off by like 1/5 of a millimeter. That's perfectly aligned now, left to right. Okay. I look at it from underneath. It is in the center this way too. Could go just a hair up. If I go smack ass in the middle of that mark, you'd be right. This is a pretty small. I don't think it'll hold the littler one. Let's see, we'll try. I don't know that the drill bit will. Yeah. It'll hold it. The smaller I can start, the better. Okay. I'm ready to drill. Now, you measure twice. You cut once. Perfect left to right. Alignment to the thing. Very good. Okay, if I go straight down on this, this should be okay. Perfect hold position. put it on the harmonica, see, to see down the hole. You know, you look down the hole and you can see, is it, in other words, go through the holes. The hole in the harmonica and the hole in the slider, they line up. They do. Okay, so we're all right. We've done a good job so far. And as long as you apply even pressure as you increase your... Okay. If you try to jump to larger sizes of drill bits, and you don't do it step by step, you have a very high risk of fracturing the material, but not if you do it this way. Left to right, center position. Do a lot of measuring. I can still fix it if it were wrong. I wouldn't have a problem in correcting the hole if it were off a little bit right now. But this particular one's very good. The way this cord's aligned right now. Did not creep. See how many minutes have elapsed. Oh, 7.